Ito po ang DTF machine dito sa Robinsons Novaliches. Ako po si Felix Parada, DTF operator ng Honjet. Meron kaming nairan dito na 73 meters as of this week. Ito po ang heads. Ito po ang capping. 80% pa naman po ng working ito. Last na napalitan yung heads nito last year na October 2023. Head clean tayo, strong. Una swiper after head clean. Nozzle kick. Ang racing tank namin ay tama lang. Racing tank, nalinis ng Friday. Ground wire. Use ink. Unused ink. Film. Powder. Ito ang daily workload. Inventory. Weekly consumption, nakagamit tayo this week ng isang magenta at isang powder. Ito naman yung nagamit na cleaning solution. Yellow, white ink, 30 cm film, cyan, black, magenta, powder. Ito naman po yung DTF monthly maintenance natin. Maraming salamat po.